What's up everyone? Welcome back to another video. Today Daniel is coming to my house right now and we're going to go to the car wash and probably go skate on our longboards and just do a bunch of cool stuff. I just got back from holiday, so more car videos are coming, but without further ado, I'm going to wait for Daniel to come. He's on his way right now and should be here any minute, so I'll show you guys when he's here. But hope you guys enjoy the video. It's just probably going to be a chill day. I don't know 100% what's going to be planned, but hope you guys enjoy. Let's get into the video. There he is. How's it going?
It's going.
I don't think I've seen you since last year. I actually think I have.
Yeah, I haven't seen you since years.
Oh my gosh, that's been too long. Both our cars are dirty, we need to wash them. My dad approves of the car.
Yeah.
So I was away for a week, so you guys haven't seen my car. So here she is once again. She's super dirty. I just got it serviced actually. Bit of a shame because they like scuffed my front lip right there, which is really sad. But my car's super dirty and we are gonna go wash them. I got my little chamois in there and they're gonna be nice and clean, and then we should go for a skate. But I'll let you guys know what's happening. Still looks really clean, but it's actually really filthy, if you can see there. Yuck. So Daniel actually got a new exhaust. It actually looks pretty sick.
No, turn the camera off.
Oh shit. I'm kidding, it's just some random bit of pipe that my dad has for something. Alright, you already know what time it is. Okay, we're just heading to the newly opened Autobahn. I think Daniel's gonna buy some stuff and then we'll go to the car wash. I won't spend too long there because I just wanna not make this video too long. Yeah, so let's get on the road, baby. Autobahn.
I'm gonna get one of these. Yeah, that's mainly what I just need today.
Sweet. Okay, what even is that, man? In and out. All right, we're going to the car wash. See you guys there. It's busy as always, but we're here. Hopefully it dies down a little bit so we can get our cars clean. Alright, I'm gonna do a little edit because I gotta spice up the videos a bit. So Daniel's gonna go first, I'll film him, and then I'll go and he'll film me, and I'll just put it into one little edit. So cue the edit now. hope you guys enjoyed that little montage. Daniel just got some KFC and we're gonna head down to the foreshore just to chill for a little bit before we go skating. So I'll see you guys then, and I'll let you guys know what's happening after. Show me what you got.
So, we got a 5 tenders combo box and 6 chicken nuggets as well, and Kung Fu Panda.
Oh! I'm just, thank you for offering.
You're welcome. You guys can have one as well.
Oh, thanks. I'll eat that for you guys. Okay. We just chilled for a little bit. Daniel's finished his KFC. He's right there. We're going up to here to skate down the hill and get some cool skating clips, longboarding clips. I think I'll make an edit of that as well, just so it's not so boring. I've wanted to do this for a while, and now we can finally do it. So, skating edit is going to be really cool, and I really hope it turns out looking good. Ah, it's chilly.
Oh, we're matching!
Jeans.
Yeah, if you'd worn like...
Alright, nice and warm. Haven't taken this thing out in a while. There we go. It's a bit windy, but usually what we do is we go all the way up to the end there, and then we skate all the way down into town and past this beautiful park. I'll probably make an edit, so hope you guys enjoy, and this is us longboarding. What a great place to end the video. Hope you guys enjoyed the edit. Hope it looks sick. It's going to be the end of the video. We're going to end it here. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks so much for watching. Peace!